The world is driven by network, and network is driven by technology. Auden is always the front-runner of the cutting-edge RF design. Since our believing in Open RAN, we successfully designed a commercial-ready RU front-end module for 28 GHz to greatly reduce system integration effort. Also, we established Array, the world's first optic lab, as a technology and business platform for Open RAN, who has held 3 very successful Blackdesk events in Taiwan. To cover the whole planet, LEO become a new potential technology that using the same phase array technology. Auden is a strategic partner for key LEO constellation service provider. We keep strengthening our technology of RF design and deeply integrate with our system partners, leverage key advantage of Taiwan, semiconductor and ICT manufacturer to make all the technology real. With Auden, you will enjoy the benefit of wireless without putting too much effort in design and integration. Let's make wireless limitless.